How to hide apps on iPhone. So go ahead and tap and hold on an empty area of the home screen to enter the jiggle mode. This can be done by pressing and holding any app icon until they start shaking. Now look for the app that you want to hide, tap on it. From the contextual menu that appears, select Remove App. Now in the pop-up menu, choose Remove from Home Screen. This will remove the app from the home screen and place it in the app library. Now press the home button or swipe up from the bottom for iPhones without a home button to exit the jiggle mode and return to the home screen. Now the app that you selected will no longer be visible on the home screen, but it can be still accessed through the App Store. To access the hidden app, swipe right on the home screen to reach the app library. Locate the app in the appropriate category or use the search bar at the top. So that is how to hide apps on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.